Hi friends, it's Liz here. Thank you for joining me today. I am so excited about the project that I'm going to be sharing with you today. I'll show you a flip through of what it is, and also I'm going to just quickly show you how to put one together. I am in love with this cute little flip book, album, journal, whatever you would like to call it. Now, this was not my original idea. I did see the video on Septeria 18's channel. She did hers and showed a little tutorial on it. So, of course, I had to just grab my goodies and show you this one. So, the first page here that you see, or the cover, has this cute little butterfly, and I did punch these out from a little butterfly punch that I recently received from Beth Wallen. Hi Beth, if you're watching, and thank you. I've got a huge update on some things that I received from Beth in another video coming up. So the first little thing that you see here is this cute little pocket in the front. And now when this comes out, you've got this little piece of see-through paper in the front. I'm going to show you how to put that together after. As you turn the page, you see that it's got a little frame, and I actually have left the little frame spot open on the side so you can tuck a little photo in if you wanted to. Super, super cute. I have these frames in my shop actually. If you're interested in getting them, I've got sets of them in the shop at the moment, so I will link that below as well. Then you've got this cute little tag in the pocket of the page. The next page, you can see here, has a tiny little tuck spot with some Maggie Holmes ephemera that I've added to the page. And then the next little page, I super love how it came out as well. So the back of the envelope has this cute little tag. Can you see the tiny little butterfly that I've added to the top there as well? So the little tag is, it has like a canceled stamp looking piece in it. And that's also, I think, from a Maggie Holmes collection. Then you've got the envelope here, which when you open it up, it flips down. And so you've got two little pockets. And then inside, as you can see here, a super cute little note card that I made. It has a little canceled stamp, says hello. And then the one at the bottom, it has the little snail mail little card. And I showed you in a video recently how I got those labels to use in my work. So I thought that was super cute to use it in this one. All right, so the next page has another little tiny tag, and again, it's from the Maggie Holmes collection. And the little pocket, I think it's super cute how you can kind of see through it. I've shown you how I make those before with junk mail envelopes. And then the tiny little butterflies you can see there as well were from that tiny little punch that I got from Beth. And then the back has a little tuck spot and just something, you can add little journaling to, or some mini photos, etc. I super love how tiny it is. This is perfect if you want to send something quick in the mail to a friend or pen pal or a family member. You'll see how easy and fun it is to put together. Let me show you what you're going to need. One 6x6 piece of cardstock. It can be single-sided, double-sided, it's up to you. You'll need a piece of tracing paper and or vellum, and then a scrap piece that's about 2x3. All right, let me show you how to put one together. Okay, so you take your 6x6 and you trim it to 3 inches. And if you have directional paper, then make sure that you're cutting it the way that it should be cut. And also, with this type of project, you can just grab any 6x6 to sort of test out how it's going to look first before you make yours, just to make sure that it comes out how you want it. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to grab one of the pieces and you're going to score it at 5/8. So that's just past the 1/2 inch mark there. Okay. And then the next score line, it's at 5 5/8. So the first one was at 5/8, sorry, and then the next one is at 5 5/8, which again is just past the 1/2 inch mark. So First score line is at 5/8, and the next one is at 5 5/8. Okay. And then that piece that we just did, just fold your lines, your scores, and then bring your piece together. And I just kind of like to use my scored board so that I know that it's a nice even fold. Okay, so we have that first piece. I'm just going to do it right on top of the scoreboard. Okay, and then the next piece we have, we will score at 2.5 inches. And then at 5.25 inches. Okay. Make sure we have our score done again. And you'll see how when this one is folded over, that you have a little piece that's shorter than what you folded there. Okay, so that's what you want. So the next step, you'll grab your sort of your top, the one that has the 2 folds this way. Okay, so then we take the one that has the score at the 5/8, okay, and that's the longest part. You take the shortest fold and you kind of fold this way. So you've got your biggest fold on the front. This is where we make the pocket. So you'll just be adding glue to the right to the side and the bottom to make the pocket. So you can see me do there. Okay. And then you take your shorter piece and you add a little bit of glue, not quite to the score line. So leave a little bit of room where that score line is. Okay. And then this is how you'll be attaching it together. So I'm just making sure that it's even, that it fits the spot there. So you see how we took that and we've just attached it to the next page, the one that had the shorter flap. Okay, it's going to make more sense in a minute. So, and now of course you've got your top pocket there, your page, your other page. The back here will make this into a little tuck spot. And again, you know, if you wanted to keep adding to this, you could add another one to the back if you wanted to, another, you know, 2 or 3 pages. But for now, we're going to just do exactly what she suggested. So we've got this happening now. Okay. Okay, so then we grab our 2x3 piece, which we initially had. Then you also get your vellum, your tracing paper. And I have mentioned before my favorite tracing paper because there's, you know, quite a few differences in tracing paper and how they look. So the piece of tracing paper is just a little bit longer than what I need here, but that's okay. So what we do is we take our glue and we add glue to the flap right there. Okay. And then you add your tracing paper. And then you'll see that there's just maybe a little bit left over on the side here, which I will cut off in a moment. But it's just to make sure that you've covered the whole front part there. Okay. I'm just going to do that now while I have you here. I just want it to be even with my page. So I'm just cutting it there now. Okay. That's not looking straight. Let's straighten it out before I do anything else. And I'm probably going to cut too much of it, but that's okay. This is just a quick and fun project. Okay. All right. So we've got that. And now in order to cover up this piece here, so what I did for this one here, and I'll show you in a moment, is I left a little bit extra and then I covered it with washi. But I'm thinking for the second one, I like how that doily paper looks. We just want to leave a little spot for like a tuck spot. So it really depends. You know, you could make it this this kind of wide, and then your little pocket would be like right there. But then I like that you could see a lot more of the background. So basically, you just sort of put it where you want your pocket to be and how much page you want left over. I don't know if that makes sense. So basically this one is almost folded in half over the little album. Okay, just make sure it's all nice and straight. And then we just take our glue and glue this down. Oh, and we glue it to the back first, just so that it's nice and even. So take your glue to the back of your fold, okay? And this is just going to be bending over to the front. And I'm just making sure that it's even on all sides there. Okay. Now you've got this left on the front. And so because we want a pocket, we only want to add glue to the top and the bottom. Okay. So glue there and glue there. Isn't this adorable? Oh my gosh. It's like now I'm definitely going to be using more of my 6x6 papers because this is just super adorable. Okay. So there you have it, my friends. So see how I've got that there. Then you've got your little album, little journal, photo album. So this is what I was talking about with the white part that was left over. I covered it with washi tape, but you don't have to. And then you've got your pocket on the top. You flip it over, you've got your two pockets. Then you have more space here and another tuck spot. Isn't this so adorable? So thank you so much for joining me. I hope you liked the video. I'm so thankful for those of you sharing your creativity and your inspiration. I really just needed to do something different, and this just really got me going to start again. Please remember, if you like the video, leave a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Click that notification bell so you know when I have a new video. Check out my playlist for other one-page wonder ideas. I'll definitely keep adding to those because they seem to be favorite. And then I'll definitely come back and decorate these with you a little bit more, but you can kind of get the idea of, you know, little things you can use. Like I really like the idea of the frame that I used here. Like I said, I have those in my shop. And then the little mini albums were, mini envelopes were super adorable. I mean, really, right? Super, super love that. And of course, use up your ephemera pieces and your scrap pieces of paper, etc. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to leave a thumbs up, leave a comment below so I know you've seen the video. Let me know what part was your favorite. I think I really enjoy embellishing the little pieces, but I also like to have, you know, a few put together ahead of time. So if I want to quickly make a little mini album, I've got the base for it already done. So thank you for joining me, and I will see you next time. Thanks so much for stopping by.